Zach is laying a rectangular brick patio for a new museum. The brick will cover the whole patio except for a rectangular fountain as shown in our diagram, right there. How many square meters of brick does Zach need? Well, what are we trying to find out? How many square meters of brick Zach needs? Exactly. We need to find the area of the patio that will be covered by brick. Is there any area that won't be covered by brick? Absolutely, you're right. In the problem, it tells us that the fountain area will not be covered by brick. Is there any other information we know? Absolutely. Great job looking at the visual to help us. We know that the length and width of the patio are 20 meters and 18 meters. The length and width of the fountain are 5 meters and 2 meters. All this information will help to solve simpler problems. Just like last time, we're going to break this problem up. So we can start by finding the area of the patio, then the area of the fountain, and finally subtracting the area of the fountain from the area of the patio to see how much space we need to cover with bricks. Do we know the area of our patio? Not yet. Do we know our base? Definitely, it's 20. Do we know our height from our diagram? We do indeed. It's 18 meters. And when I multiply 20 times 18, we get 360 square meters. All right, step 1 done. Now on to step 2. Find the area of the fountain. Do we know our area? Nope, that's what we're solving for. Do we know our base? We do, and that is 5 meters. Okay, so we'll multiply our 5 meters times our height, which is 2 meters. 5 times 2 is 10 square meters. You got it. All right, we're on to our last step. Do you remember what our last step was? Our last step was to take the area of the patio and the area of the fountain and subtract them. So then we could figure out how many bricks he has to cover the space. Because remember, we don't need to cover the space where the fountain is with any bricks. Right, patio area is 360. And area of the fountain is 10. We can use mental math to help us do this. 360 minus 10 is, that's right, just take away a 10, 350 what? Absolutely, square meters. So how many square meters of brick does Zach need? He needs 350 square meters of brick. Today we took what we know about area to analyze information and to understand the relationship between the areas of two rectangles to solve area problems.